In this video, we will see how to make Windows 10 bootable pen drive. To do this, get one 8 GB pen drive first. If you have USB 3.0 pen drive, please use USB 3.0 only, as it has higher data transfer speed. Insert the pen drive into the computer. Take the backup of all the data in from pen drive which you are planning to make Windows 10 bootable pen drive. As once the pen drive becomes bootable pen drive, all the old data will be deleted. On screen the pen drive which I took is empty as shown. Now open the browser, Chrome, and type Windows Media Creation Tool in the address bar. Now you will see a link to official Microsoft website. Click the link. Scroll down to see text, Create Windows 10 Installation Media. And click the button, Download Tool now. Now exe file will be downloaded. This tool to make bootable pen drive creation. It will take approximately 4 GB to 8 GB data download from the internet. Hence use only broadband connection, as it is not possible to download this much data using the mobile data. Once .exe file is downloaded, just double-click and run it. This tool will download Windows 10 latest version to your computer and will copy those files to your pen drive and make the pen drive as bootable pen drive. On this screen, just accept and click on Next. Now it will ask for two options. As we are planning to make bootable pen drive, choose the second option, Create Installation Media, and click Next. In the next screen, you will see default selected options and leave them as it is, and you can click on the Next button. If you are using this tool on a computer where you're planning to install Windows 10, the tool will automatically check whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit and options will be chosen automatically. In case you are planning to install in another computer, unselect the Use Recommended options for this PC and choose the version of the Windows and click Next button. In case if you want this pen drive for 32-bit and 64-bit, select the both options. In this video, I choose 64-bit. Click Next button. In the new screen, we have two options. As we want to make pen drive as bootable pen drive, we will select the USB flash drive and click on Next button. Here select the inserted pen drive and click on Next button. Now your pen drive is getting ready to become bootable Windows 10 pen drive with the latest version. Wait till it completes to 100%. Now approximately 4 to 8 GB data will be downloaded. Now all the data has been downloaded to your pen drive and become bootable pen drive. Now if you see the Explorer, pen drive name is shown as ESD USB. Now you can use this pen drive to install latest Windows 10 on any computer.